In this video, I'll show you how to stream to Discord with your PS5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you want to share your PS5 gameplay with your friends while you're playing together, Discord is one of the easiest ways to do it. Whether you want to show off your gameplay, get help with a boss fight, or simply let your friends watch you play, you can have everything set up in just a few minutes. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up PS Remote Play, connect it to your PS5, and stream your gameplay to Discord. Before we get started, make sure your PS5 and PC are connected to the same internet network for the best performance. Alright, so first on your PS5, you need to enable remote play. To do that, you can go to the top right and select the gear icon to go to settings. And you want to go to system, hover down to remote play. And here you need to enable remote play for the account that you want to use. I just enable it for all of my account. Now you can go back and optionally you can hide remote play connection status. So if you disable this, there will be remote play connected text on your screens. So I recommend you to hide it. Now on your PC, open up your web browser and just search remote play on Google. Go to the official website, which is playstation.net or playstation.com, or you can also click the link in the description to go straight to the remote play download page. Once you're in the website, you can just click the download button right here and then select Windows PC. Next, to download it, you'll need to agree to the license agreement. If you do, just check it and you can click download again. Save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder, hit save, and the download will start. Now just go to your downloads folder and open up the exe file. Just install it like usual, hit OK, it'll start downloading some stuff, and after the installation is done, check launch PS Remote Play and hit finish. PS Remote Play will launch, and the first thing you need to do is to sign in to the same account that you're using on your PS5. So click sign in and go ahead and sign into your account. And after you sign in, you'll have options to connect to your PS5 or PS4. Select PS5 and it will say this, telling you to enable remote play, but we already did it, so just hit OK. And now it'll start connecting to your PS5, and there we go. Now you're connected to your PS5 and you'll see your PS5 screen on PS Remote Play. Now what you can do is just go to Discord and join any voice channel, and then you can start streaming by clicking this icon, select applications and select PS Remote Play. And there we go. Now I'm streaming to Discord with my PS5. So as you can see, I'm moving around. You can launch a game and show your gameplay to your friends. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.